what's up YouTube? This is Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to fix a Coleman cooler with broken hinges. You can see back here these cheap plastic hinges are pretty flimsy and they don't usually last too long. You can get these replacement stainless steel hinges. I've got these on Amazon. About $13 or $14. You can see the part number right there, 6155-5741. Replacing these is super simple. You just grab a screwdriver or a drill with a screw bit on there and take off the old hinges. And we'll just get those stainless steel hinges out. Now when we put the new hinge on, you can see that these holes down here are elongated, and that will help you adjust and make sure that this fits right with your cooler. So we're just going to get the top two holes started and tighten those down. And then you'll see that these bottom holes, you can see that they're a little bit more oblong or a little elongated. So just make sure that the cooler is sitting flush, or the cooler lid is sitting flush on there before you screw those in. Just like that. Do the other side. We'll get these bottom ones started, but we're going to tighten the top ones first. And that's it. You're good to go. Lid works great. Closes nice. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.